that guy. But I am me, and you're here for me. Check this out. Got something cool the other day. I guess you could say my biggest fan showed up. I present to you, yeah, my biggest fan. Alrighty then. Ow, my toe. Alright, all jokes aside, this is the biggest fan I own, so technically it is my biggest fan. Picked this bad boy up for amount. I'll put it on the screen. It was the Inside Track member early sale, so I got this quite a bit cheaper than it originally is. It's a 30-inch. Quick specs there for you guys. Yes. She's pretty beefy. I've done a lot of research on it before I went and spent money on it. So I figured I'd just go ahead and get my quick review on it. Let's open her up. Does the thumb snap thing work yet? Am I a big enough YouTuber? Oh God, here we go. Isn't that just crazy how that works? Just snap your fingers and it just becomes a base. Alright, so we got the base on it. I started putting the motor on backward. Don't ask how, I just did. I'll get back with you guys once I get all the big crap out of the way, because there's instructions, you know how to follow this stuff. You don't need to watch me put a fan together. You just want to see how it works, right? Right, that's why you're here. Yo, I just come 1/8 from putting this fan together all backward. It would have been hot. More hot than I am now. While we're on the subject about fans, well, being hot, what's the dumbest thing you've done in your shop that was avoidable if you just took your time, read the directions, or, you know, just slowed down a little bit? I've done some doozies, and it hasn't always been at my shop where I used to work. Oh boy, I've had some long days. So if you got any funny stories, plop them down in the comments. I love reading your guys' comments, by the way, so just the more the merrier. I'd be going by a lot faster if I was a little more organized in here. I'm sorry. Just take this bolt with me, since I can't seem to get myself gathered. Oh, you can use a Phillips on it. We're good, we're good. Oh, well, where's the Phillips at? Alright, that took probably 20 minutes, but I needed both hands. I don't have a good point to put the camera down. And again, you have instructions. You don't need me to show you how to do it. I just want to show you the fan, which I present to you now. Ignore all this. We're in the process of taking everything out of the garage, putting it out there, putting it back in where it needs to be. That's not the point of this video. The point of the video is this fan. All right. Well, let's turn it on. It's actually moving the GoPro. Holy cow. Is that on low, high? That's slightly faster. It's kind of like an F-16, whatever those are. That's all the beans. That feels so freaking amazing. That airflow on this sucker. Oh my God, yes, buy one. That is my... That's feeling good. It's not as loud as you would think it is. This is on high. Definitely got the choppiness sound. It's 30 inches. This is central machinery. The base is very heavy, so you know, fear of toppling this fan is basically at zero. It adjusts up to 6 foot high, which is tall as me, and the head turns pretty much towards the ground. You're pretty limited here. It can go down about another inch, but not much more than that. So, but if you put it further back, it'll hit more towards the ground. Oh my God! Make it a great exhaust fan too. So if you're not wanting to spend $200–300 on a fan, this is it. Blew something over. Yeah. Do I recommend this? 5 out of 5 stars. The ease of putting it together, the price I paid for it, Smell that fresh paint burning off. That is one thing I was told and did a lot of reviews on. These motors, it's already hot to the touch. That's just how they run. They're the cheaper side. There's some science to it. That's just how they are. It's not gonna hurt it. If it does hurt it, unplug sucker, take it back. You got a warranty. Yeah, 5 out of 5 on this, by the way. I mean, that airflow was intense, and I'm sure you can feel it a very long ways off in the shop, so you don't have to have this right on top of you, or you could just put it in the garage door as an exhaust fan. I mean, it's built decent too, guys. I mean, it's a fan. It's not a tank or anything, but I'm just saying, the ease of putting it together, the price tag, its size, I mean, and its usefulness, it's all 5 out of 5 for me. I mean, it's no harder than putting together a house fan. So, do I recommend the Harbor Freight 30-inch pedestal fan? Absolutely. I think that's going to do it for tonight. I've made 2 videos in the same night. I think it's 2 a.m. I'm tired. I'm starting to get loopy. So, if you see a strange video pop up about something about sponsors, it's probably tonight. See you guys later. Thanks for watching.